promise was a lie. They told us technology would break the chains. They told us if the machines took the manual labor, humans would ascend. We would be free to pursue higher creative work. Economists call this the Luddite Fallacy. The belief that machines destroy jobs is supposed to be wrong. History has always proven that technology creates more jobs than it destroys. But history has never seen this before. This time, the Luddite Fallacy is true. We are not building machines to lift heavy boxes. We are building machines to think. And they think faster, cheaper, and better than you. Let's look at the math. It is the only thing that matters. In economics, there is a concept called zero marginal cost. If you hire a human, you pay for every hour. Sleep, health insurance, pensions, mistakes. If you build an AI agent, the cost of copying that software is effectively zero. A junior software engineer costs a company $100,000 a year. An AI agent that can write the same code costs 4 cents per prompt. Capitalism is a ruthless optimizer. It does not care about your mortgage. It does not care about your fulfillment. It cares about the spread between revenue and cost. When the cost of intelligence drops to zero, the value of your labor drops to zero. The first wave took the factory worker. We accepted that. We called it progress. The second wave is not coming for the blue-collar worker. It is coming for the architect, the lawyer, the coder, the middle manager. The safe jobs are gone. Look at the layoffs in the tech sector over the last 24 months. They call it efficiency. They call it restructuring. Do not be fooled. It is a migration. We are migrating intelligence from biology to silicon. We are entering the era of the 10 times engineer. But it is not because the engineer got smarter. It is because the engineer is now a manager of a digital fleet. One human doing the work of 10. This looks like productivity on a spreadsheet, but in reality, it is a massacre. Because if one person can do the work of 10, what happens to the other 9? They become what historians call the useless class. Not useless to their families, not useless to their communities, but useless to the economic and military machine. So what is the solution? Silicon Valley has an answer ready for you. Universal Basic Income, UBI. The narrative is seductive. The AI takes the jobs. The AI generates trillion-dollar profits. And the government taxes the robots to pay you a monthly allowance. It sounds like a utopia. Leisure, freedom, security. But look closer. If you depend on the state for your food, your housing, and your survival, you are not free. You are a pet. UBI is not a paycheck. It is hush money. It is the price the elite will pay to keep the masses from burning down the server farms. Understand the power dynamic. Throughout history, the working class had one weapon: the strike. If you stopped working, the machine stopped turning. The owner needed you. But you cannot strike if your labor is not needed. When you detach human worth from human labor, you strip away the leverage of the population. The danger isn't that the robots will terminate us. The danger is that the economy will simply move on without us, ghosted by the very machine we built. The crisis is not just financial. It is existential. I am a doctor. I am a driver. I am a creator. We define ourselves by what we do. When the algorithm diagnoses better, drives safer, and creates faster, who are you? You have two choices left. You can wait for the check to arrive in the mail, hoping it is enough to survive the inflation. Or you become the operator. Labor is dead. Equity is the only lifeboat. You must own the infrastructure, not the job. You must own the short, not the salary. You must be the one holding the leash. The shift has happened. Welcome to the new economy. This is the silent shift.